Welcome to a quick tour of the beachfront studio suite at Rosewood Mayakoba, a favorite suite of ours for beach lovers. As we walk through, the suite is 779 square feet of indoor space, 633 square feet of outdoor space. And what we really love is just a space to be able to go out, enjoy morning coffee, afternoon cocktails. We have this beautiful lounging area, plunge pool, and we step down into the sand. There's a lot of different loungers up here, a lot of privacy. There's nobody really around this area. There's hammocks, so a really great way to enjoy just this beautiful ocean view. As we head back into the suite, just want to mention that Elli Travel Group is part of Rosewood Elite. As a Rosewood Elite partner, our clients will receive at no extra cost breakfast for two daily, $100 hotel credit, welcome amenity, and priority for upgrades. Just a wonderful suite to be able to enjoy Mexico. One of the things that we love about most of the rooms at Rosewood Mayakoba is that you will have the beautiful outdoor shower to be able to enjoy at the end of the day. Again, we'd love to help with your next trip. We are Elli Travel Group, a luxury boutique agency outside of New York City.